investors, listen up. We're tracking a high-yield asset in Napa Solano Counties, the Harry's Carpets Index. Some traders may be fooled by penny stock, big box retailers. They're ignoring the hidden liabilities. Let's look at the prospectus for a 100-yard residential play.
If you're a landlord or property manager in Vacaville or Napa, you know the drill. You need a rental-grade carpet that looks good but doesn't break the bank because, let's be honest, you're never going to get the end of a 15-year warranty in a rental. Most landlords think rental grade means buying the cheapest thing on the shelf, but here's the truth. The warranty isn't just a promise for the future. It's a measurement of the quality today. When you see a 5-year warranty versus a 15-year warranty, you're looking at how long that floor is going to stay looking new. Even at entry level, there's a massive gap. The competition's base carpet is $11.25 with a 5-year warranty. My Dreamweaver Tracker is only $10, but it carries a 15-year warranty. In a rental, that means better crush resistance and easier cleaning. Floor that stays newer longer means better tenant retention and a cozier home. If that carpet lasts through one extra tenant turnover, your ROI just skyrocketed. But here's where most people get it wrong. They buy cheap carpet and they put it over cheap 4 or 6 pound pad. It feels like walking on cardboard. At Harry's, even my rental jobs, I use heavy duty 8-pound pad. The big box stores are going to charge you a premium for an 8-pound pad, sometimes over $5 or $6 a yard. I sell mine for $4.79. It's denser, it supports the carpet backing better, so your carpet doesn't wrinkle as fast. Putting money back in your pocket.
Year 1 and Harry's Carpets customers are up 10 to 20% by lowering their entry price.
In year
2, we see Harry's Carpets customers benefiting from better installation, while the other guys call for a restretch. Year 3, we see major differences in the pad support level. The competitor is already rubbing against the subfloor. In year 4, total market crash for the other guy. Liquidate and reinvest 100% of their capital.
Look, if Harris Carpets can find this much ROI on a budget rental floor, just imagine the value we could add to your own home. Don't just settle for a floor. Invest in one.